Okay, gonna make this quick video going over using place value to subtract. All right, this is grade 4, module 1, lesson 13. So over here, you see we have two 3-digit numbers. We have 467 minus 294. So when you're subtracting these numbers, you always want to make sure you're keeping in mind, are they lined up in their place value positions? Ones, tens, hundreds. So here you can see that they are. Okay, you have your ones, you have your tens, you have your hundreds. So I'm gonna leave that up here right now because I always like to put them in their place value spots. And I'm going to start by subtracting in our ones place. All right, so I'm always starting all the way to the right. I'm in my ones place, and I'm going to ask myself when I'm subtracting, I'm going to ask myself, am I able to subtract 7 minus 4? Or can I take 4 away from 7? So you can draw your place value discs if you need. So if I had 7, or 5, 6, 7 in my ones place, and I need to get rid of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 left. So I am able to do 7 minus 4. All right? If you need to do that, you can. So I'm going to erase that right here. Now I go into my tens place, and I have the 6. So we had a 6 in the tens place, and we have 6 tens. So the same way I just drew there, I could draw my 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tens. Can I subtract 9? No, I can't do that because I can't take 9 away from 6. 9 is a greater number than 6. And like we said in class, we're not doing a handstand, all right? So we're not flipping upside down here and subtracting 9 minus 6. That's not what the problem is asking us to do. So since I can't do 6 take away 9, I'm going next door to the 400s. And I'm going to cross out my 400s, and I'm going to make it a 300. So I am taking 100 and going into my tens place. And we know that 100, when we unbundle it, is equal to 10 tens. So since we have 10 tens, the 6 in the tens place is now going to become 16 because I'm adding 10 tens to the 6 tens I already had. Now, I have 16 minus 9, which is, get that here, is 7. And now my hundreds place, I have 3 hundreds because that's what I have after I grouped. So 3 hundreds minus 2 hundreds is 100. So we got 173. That is the answer for this problem. Now I'm going to go over here, and now I go into the thousands place. Okay, so I could once again, let me double check. My place values are lined up. I'm going to throw it in there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, it's very quick. If you line up your numbers, adding in a place value chart, I did that in no time, right? So here, I'm going to start yet again in my ones place. Let me see. I could do right here. And that's my ones place. So I have 5 minus 2, right? What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is going to give us 3. Okay. I'm able to do that. No regrouping is necessary. So now I'm going to go next door into my tens place. I have 8 tens minus 4 tens. 8 tens minus 4 tens. I can do that because the number on the top is greater than the number on the bottom. So 8 minus 4 is 4. All right. 4 tens, all right? Now I move to my hundreds place. Now I have 2 hundreds minus 5, all right? If I have 2 hundreds, can I cross out 5 of them? If I have 2 donuts, can I eat 5 of them? No, I don't have enough. I'm not doing a handstand, so I'm not subtracting 5 minus 2 because I'm not starting from the bottom and going to the top. So I'm going to say, what do I have to do? I have to go next door to the 3 in the thousands place, okay? And I'm going to unbundle. I'm going to take away one of those thousands and be left with 2 thousands. So now if I take 1,000 and my one of those thousands goes next door into the hundreds place, what do I have? What am I exchanging? Well, I'm crossing out one of my thousands gets exchanged for 10 hundreds. So if I had 2 hundreds and I exchange 10 plus 2 is 12. I now have 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds minus the 5 gives me 7 hundreds. And then I go to my thousands place. And my thousands place, if I have 2 thousands minus 1,000 is 1,000. And your answer is 1,743. Okay? So if you take a look at these 2 examples, okay, these 2 examples will help you with using place value to subtract.